Hi, my name is Robert, and today I'm going to show you how to clean your vape. Your vape needs to be cleaned from time to time, and occasionally it may get clogged up or gurgle. The best time to clean your vape is when you're changing a coil or changing to a new flavour of e-liquid. Cleaning your vape tank between e-liquids will get you the best possible flavour. To clean your vape, first unscrew the tank as if you're changing the coil. Remove the coil and empty out any remaining e-liquid. Next, put all the components of the tank except for the coil into a bowl of warm water and a little washing up liquid. Wash the parts for a few minutes until they are clean. Give everything a wipe with a dry cloth and then leave pieces to fully air dry. Occasionally, liquid may make its way onto the contact of the battery if your tank happens to leak. Here, use a tissue to carefully clean out any liquid around the battery contact point. After this, you can go ahead and reassemble your device and fill it with your new e-liquid and enjoy your new flavour. For information on your vaping needs, please check out our other videos.